Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to open some files and we're going to read individual lines, and also we're going to open a file and we're going to read the first character of that file. Okay, so without further ado, I'm going to create a function called Readlines. Read lines in file. Bit of a long one, but I'm just doing it for this video because it's kind of like self-explanatory, so you know exactly what it's all about. So I'm going to use F, which is going to equal open. Okay, I'm just going to check. I forgot to get the files ready on my PC. So, okay everybody, so this is the text file that I've just created, so I'll just save it there and close it. So what was it called? It was called text1.txt. okay, and what we're going to do, let's put the R here. So we're going to open this and read it. So I'm going to print out a message for the user, where the message is going to be reading the first line. Okay, so I'm just going to read one line at a time out of the file. 1, 2, 3. And put that on a new line. Okay, the next one. Oops, made a mistake there. Okay, the next one is going to be. Oh dear, that's the mistake. Oopsie daisy. Right, the next one is going to be printing out. So we're going to use print command and f dot read line. Okay, now we're going to create another function which is going to read the characters. So I'm going to call it reading characters. The name of the other function. Okay, so reading characters. Okay. Again, F is equal to open, and we're going to open this text file, which is called text1.txt. Sorry about the sound in the background, it's absolutely pouring it down outside. That's rain that you can hear. Okay, again the R there. And print out a message to the user. It's going to say reading the first character of the file. Bit of a long message, but it tells the reader exactly what it's doing. So now we're going to use the print command. It's going to be f.read. We only want to read the first character, so we're going to do that. Okay, and now we've got to close the file. f.close. Okay, I think I should have closed the file up there as well. f.close. Okay. There we go. Now all we've got to do is call the first function in here, and say call it read lines in file. Okay, now all we're going to do now is just to save it, and we're going to run the program. Okay, so reading the first line here, this is line 1. Okay, so that's the first line. This is line 1. So we've read the first line in the file, and reading the first character of this file, which is T here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It will take you 1 second and you'll be helping me out, you'll be helping the channel out, and you'll feel great about yourself as well. So anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.